welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Shykoh and thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm having a photo shoot tomorrow, and I just wanted to show you guys everything that goes behind a photo shoot. Basically the behind the scenes of a photo shoot, the preparation, everything, so that if you are planning to have a photo shoot soon, you know what to expect and you know every step that you need to prepare. So I already did my nails yesterday, so today I'm going to make my hair, and then after that it's just packing and preparing for the shoot tomorrow. So I'm going to Umoja Market with my sisters. We are all going to get our hairs done today. Yes, so I just wanted to bring you guys. I'm going to be having 2 strand twists with some flat twists in front. I just want to embrace my natural hair. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So guys, we are on our way to Umoja Market where the hairstylist works. If you've ever been to Umoja Market, the salon is just outside Cooperative Bank. There's a Cooperative Bank up to Umoja Market, so he's just opposite there. But I will leave his number in the description box. Yes, so I'm excited to have my hair done. Yes, let's go. So guys, we are finally here. You can see just in front there we have a Cooperative Bank right there, so his salon is just there. So that's where we are going. So this is the salon. It's called Dynamic Salon, just opposite Cooperative Bank. So guys, guess who is here? Me. Yeah, so Dan is also the one who did this hairstyle, as well as this one. So we are starting by washing my hair. That's the by the way. Hey guys, today is shoot day. As you can see, yesterday I had my hair done. These are flat, these are just lines and 2 strand twists. So yeah, that's what I went for. But basically I'm ready for my shoot. As you can see, my skin is moisturized. So when you're going for a photo shoot, you want to make sure you've done proper skincare. Scrub your face the night before. Apply a mask if you can, and then layer up your moisturizers, because like today I've worn 2 moisturizers so that my skin can really be hydrated and glowing, and also of course get enough rest, because you don't want to go to the shoot looking tired, because it will show on your photos. So yeah, let's head out. But before that, I want to show you guys how I've packed my stuff in a way that it's very easy to carry everything, and such that when I'm at the studio, my things won't be all over the place. So let me show you that, and then we can head out. So I've packed everything in a briefcase, this bag, to make it easy for me. So these are my makeup brushes, my outfits are down there, these are my wigs, and these are the shoes. Then wet wipes, and these are facial cleansing wipes for the times when I need to change up my makeup. And I've also carried got to big glue for my wig, and all the essentials are here. And then this is my makeup kit where all my makeup is. So this I just have these 2 bags, and this will make my work so much easier, rather than carrying a small bag and then having my wigs and my shoes in different paper bags. Yes, so my Uber is here, and these are all my bags. So guys, I'm finally here where I'm coming for my photo shoot. The building is called Vision Plaza, and I'm going to 2nd floor room 2. The studio is called Boyd Photography Studio. It's just, Vision Plaza is just on the highway along Mombasa Road. So yeah, let's go. I'm excited. It's been quite a long time since I went for a photo shoot. So let's go. So me and my many bags. Thank God kuna lift juu yake, sijui ningebebana aje na hizi mabag zangu kama naenda trip. Woo. Okay. So we are here, Boyd Photography, and guess who is here? Me! So yeah, you can't miss it. And I also did this makeup and this one. So guys, I've quickly set up my makeup. I want to do my face. So I've not decided the look I'm going for, but I'm gonna be changing up my looks. But I'm first going to go for a nude look, and from there we'll just decide. Nude eyeshadow. Okay, I don't know, you guys. Nitajua as I go. Honestly, I'm confused right now. I always get confused that I want to do my makeup for a special occasion or a shoot. But when I get my palette, tutajua kenye tunafanya. So yeah.
Pause this.
Toka hapa. Guys, please practice your poses early to avoid the ndogo kama mimi. So this was me just practicing my poses, but you know what, when the music started playing, it got me in the mood, and you know, it became a swift process. So when you are doing a shoot, I would advise you tell the photographer to put for you some music, and it will help you to get the poses right. And finally, guys, these were the final photos. This was just me selecting the shots, going through all the shots that we took and selecting my favorite ones, which the photographer is now then going to edit, because it wouldn't make sense to edit all the shots because those are like over 100 photos. So you just pick the ones that please you the most, and those are the ones that he edits. So yes. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come here do a proper outro because I was so tired after that shoot that I could not do a proper outro video. So the shoot really went well. As you can see from the behind the scenes photos, I had so much fun. I love the fact that the studio has different sets and different backgrounds where you can do different themes. Like you can do a lifestyle shoot, you can do just a plain backdrop, and he has different colors, and he has that living room setup. Basically, there's so much you can do in that studio. So yeah, I highly recommend them. They are located at Vision Plaza, which is just along Mombasa Road. For more details, contact information, kindly check out the description box. I will leave the photographer's number so that you can book them for your shoot, and their rates are so affordable. They also have different packages. Yeah, so I'll leave his number down below. So basically, for you to have a successful photo shoot, prepare upfront, book the studio, know the specific timings that you are supposed to be going for your shoot, pack your outfits, and make sure you know which outfit you want to start with, or how you're gonna pair the outfits, the jewelry you're gonna wear with which outfit. That will make your work so much easier, such that when you go to the studio, you will just lay your outfits, and ukitoa hii, you change to the next one, and it's a swift process, and you're able to maximize your time, because sometimes you're given a specific time period for your shoot. Maybe a shoot takes 2 hours and the next client is coming in the next after your shoot, so you have to make sure you've given it your best to make maximum use of your time. If you're having your makeup done, which you should, do it before your shoot. Like if your shoot is from 2, make sure by 2 you're ready, so that you know by 2 you're ready to start your shoot and you're looking flawless and all that. So also book me for your makeup. So if you have a big bag like the one I had carried my outfits in a briefcase, you're able to pack your things nicely and organize them nicely, such that you're not at the risk of leaving out your things in the studio. Okay? Also practice your poses. There is nothing that is so disappointing as having an amazing outfit, amazing makeup, and it's time to take the photo, but you don't know how to pose. And it's something that I also sometimes suffer from, because like this time, nimefika hapo, I'm standing, but I'm like, how do I pose? At least I had a screenshot of the specific poses I want. So there's so much resources online. There are so many videos you can watch on how to pose for your photos, and then you can screenshot the specific ones that you see are simple for you, practice them, and you know, when the photographer starts shooting, you are just there changing your poses, and that way you don't waste any time. In 5 minutes maybe you're done with one outfit and you go change. Like just practice your poses, and that will save you so much time and so much anxiety, because when you know your pose, you will be confident and the photo will come out so bomb. So basically, those are the few tips that I wanted to give you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly follow me on my Instagram, link down below, because that's where I will be posting the photos, of course, and I'm sure you'll want to see them, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.